Okay, okay guys, already we have done the previously website design, okay, with a prototype and wireframe and visual design with prototype. Okay, we are done with wireframe design and visual design and prototyping, giving the links. So today the concept is to creating a email newsletter design. So we have some different type of newsletter designs here. Let me check it. See, the newsletter designs we can create in Figma and as well as Adobe XD also, the both scenarios. And we already done with some newsletter designs here. You can get some knowledge. So every company we are creating newsletter design. Okay, and see what is newsletter, sir? Email newsletter. Email newsletter means now the companies are completely working with email newsletters to sharing their information through mail through total worldwide. Okay, so come to here. We have almost the newsletters. We have so many newsletters. This is the basic mail, friends. You can click it here and you can see the newsletter. This is the newsletter. Okay, and if we click it here and we have one type of newsletter. But the company will give the newsletter, they will post the newsletters like this. See, this is the one type of newsletter. See. Okay. And what is the size, friends, for newsletter? We have a different sizes and generally we can take the sizes with 750. 750 the basic width size and height will not be calculated. Okay, this is one type of newsletters. This is one type of newsletter. See, this is one type of newsletters. Just giving the information. Suppose, let me check it with newsletters. Click it and we can see the newsletters. Just giving the information. See, this is newsletters. Basically, the sizes. (600) width 600 pixels by 892, and generally the newsletter sizes will be 750. Okay, 750 will take the newsletter size width. Height will be we can't give the height based on the design. The height will be continued. We have different type of newsletters and we can click it here and click it. So you can click it this one. See, this is one type of newsletter. Just giving the information. And when we are going to any company, okay, any software company, they will ask to create a newsletter. Okay, so which application we have to create it, sir? We have to create the application with Adobe XD and Figma, and after that the people, the web developers will take the design and they will convert into the email template based on our design. Now you got it? You clear? Like this, and you can check the size 700 or 750, or otherwise we can take it 700. Already it is there now. So take the size of 700. Okay, height is infinity. This is the email newsletter size. Okay, for Adobe XD and Figma. So, sir, we can take some examples from here. Email newsletters. Click it and take the examples. Based on the software and software companies, and based on the constructions, based on the killer email newsletter design for better engagement, checklist, and hospitals and designs and everything. Okay, so already we have done the design. Which design we have done? Already yesterday we done with software company, no? So see, this is the guidelines newsletters, the brand logo, sender name first, and the email newsletter sizes and spacings between the sizes. These are the spacings. Email layouts, images and colors, call to action buttons, call to action buttons, CTA. We call as a CTA, call to action buttons, CTAs. Okay, these buttons we call as CTAs. CTA is nothing but call action buttons. Okay, we have to check everything, friends. Like this we have to create the newsletter. So this is the basic guidelines. I'll share you this one, friends, don't worry. Okay, so this is the newsletter, the company information we are giving this newsletter. Again we are creating this newsletter, and the developers team will take this newsletter and they will work with code, and they will share to the beta versions for the mails. Okay, they'll directly not share the final file, and they'll release as a beta version is nothing but a trial version, and after that they'll check it and everything is good, the alignments are missing, or the arranging and alignments are missing, they will check it, and after that they will release the final newsletter. Okay. So this is the newsletters. So this is clear, and we have different type of newsletters. Already we have done the newsletter. See, already we have done the session like website. Why don't we take this content from here to here? The same content we will take now. So what we are giving the newsletter, the size will be 700 by infinity. Okay, and I'm just taking 700 by 1000 or 700 by 2000, like that. Take the new document file. Take a custom size 700 by 2000. It's came. So already we are done with here, and directly we can create as a visual design, and I can go with so the this one is there now, the image, copy and paste. It's very clear. If you want logo, and come to here. So like this we can create the size of the image. So logo it came, or otherwise I can keep the logo here, and I can take the logo directly with a color. Select the logo. Give it center. The logo is came. So let's take the file, and what are the elements they have taken. Keep it here like this. Like this we can take it. The text, if you have, you can take it here, right click, block it, select the text and move it, and keep the text like this. Like this we can create the second column. Now we are indicating the our services. So the services we have, select this one, and which one is highlighted, we can take that highlighted 4 parts only, copy and Ctrl V paste. So like this we can take it, or otherwise you can select this one and make it ungroup. Okay, and remove the text. Only take 4 subjects. Then place it here. Our services, we have to give some title. One group, one group, copy, select the text, Ctrl C, copy, delete this one, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V, paste. Like this we can highlight. If you have one more box here, and we can select it and make it here. It will be scroll. Okay, it will be scroll. It will be scroll. So we have a prototype here. We can check it prototype in the next level. Okay, only the designing, we are just designing the template, designing the home page, the header part, and it is explaining the charts, and he has 10 days of experience and 45 plus team members, and we have more about us. Select this one and make it very simple, friends. And our services, take the services. After that, finally, team members. I'm just taking the text, otherwise I can take the dummy text, this one only. Click it and make it the extend. Select it. I'm just taking the team members. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. సెలెక్ట్ చేసి కంట్రోల్ వి పేస్ట్. మూడింటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసి నేనేం చేస్తున్నాను, కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ ఎం మాస్కింగ్. ఇమేజ్ కింద తీసుకొని వెళ్ళండి. ఇమేజ్ దీన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి కంట్రోల్ 7 మాస్కింగ్, మేక్ ఇట్ షేప్. Control Shift M. This is our team members. We get one more team members, and finally pick links. Copy, Control V paste, select it. And I have already this pattern. Select this one, all the pattern, copy and Control V paste. And I'm just taking for mobile. Select this one, make it. So we have the pick links kada, copy, pick links తీసుకోండి, at least 20 only. And light line spacing will be little bit. Select this one and make it light line spacing, decrease the light line spacing. Make it 50 and keep it here. And make it 40. Copy, Control V paste. Select this one and make it so select this one and add this one. So this is the newsletter friends. Select this one, email newsletter. Okay, basically we will give this design to developers, and developers will take this one and they will convert it to HTML, and directly they will place it to internet mails. This is the concept. This is the basic newsletter creation design. Okay, and save this file as a file. Save means locally it will be saved. Save, export, selected. File new, export, selected. Design view. This is one template what we created. Okay, and finally select this one. We have this disturbance here. File, export, all artworks, exporting. Our services, our team members, and this is the design. Okay.